Hi guys, and welcome back to Captains of Industry. Well, the first thing I'm going to do, I've just done one recording and it went completely wrong. I am going to put in a power generator for a start. Now, I'm wondering if I could get away with tying it straight into there. Don't like it. Don't like it there. Cancel construction. I'm gonna put him. He only takes 3 diesel. How much diesel will produce? Output is full. Right. These on the last episode, I had made a mistake. Gotta find them all now. I think that should be trucks can export, so we can import and export. We don't want them importing on that one. You can export, right. Just give me a minute to get with it. We do that one. Yeah. And you can import, export. Keep it full. Right, and what's it asking for now? Repair the shipyard. Right. Repair. And I'm going to put another... Our wood is down. And our coal is down. I'm going to put another tree cutter on. What is this asking me? Waiting for material delivery. Okay. What was I doing? Tree cutter. Tree harvester and a couple of trucks for him. Because our coal... Right, here's where we find out. Was I right here? Transport. Can I do a pipe from there to there? I'm hoping that once they build it, we'll get that going. Right, we need more parts. So that is because we're waiting for wood, which is why I put the other tree cutter on and concrete slabs. Right, have you got... Fill the ship with diesel now. Fill that up. Keep full under 56. I should fill the ship. Yeah, load crew. We got enough. I think we have. And go to the first location on the map. World map. We'll go to explore. Ship is on the way. There she goes. It's more like a fishing boat. Ship's graveyard. New ship for your design. Right, these are going to have to be moved later. How's this... Right, he is generating power. So that's that done. Explore for okay, he's gone. Synthetic rubber. Research rubber. Right. Research. Research. Synthetic rubber, start. We might as well do vehicle ramps because it's there. Constructor, we'll do that. Now I'm going to do a fuel station. And then we'll look at conveyor belts, advanced concrete, a message. Copper production. Find a copper mine. I might put another one of these in. What is that? That is iron. I've got to get use. Total construction. Gonna get used to understanding all this yet. I think if it's in red, we're low. What does it mean we're high? No, that's in green. Is that one wood? There goes his trucks. He's our friend. Yeah, they're both working. Location explored. Go to our world map. And what do we? I think that is a ship for repair. Right, synthetic rubber. Oh, that's been researched. Right, copper. Copper mine is here. So we need landscaping. Got that bit right. Mine control tower. We will need an ore storage. We'll start off on that one. And then we're going to build a let me just look at that a minute. That is me. Partially stuck. Why? Why is it? Could be because it's full. Let's try building 2 more pickups. Right, I'm going to try something here. Copy. Paste him here. Now I've got to change that. I want that. We want that one. These. We want copper, not that. That we want Copper, not that. Don't forget, my gameplay will get better as I improve. This wood burner for coal. Let's get done what we've done, and I think we'll get. Oh, rubber maker is researched. Right, rubber maker. We'll go here now. I am not gonna connect the rubber maker. Well, I can find him. Let's research. Don't want research. Don't want forestry, terraforming, logistics. No. Storage. Not housing. There we go. Now I could. I've got to watch here now. I've got to waste. Turn him round. No, that's the output. I'll worry about connecting them up after. I'm going to have I'm going to have the trucks fill this up. Doesn't say anything about a smokestack. There's the oil in. And I presume it's got to come from this one. So let's put him here. No. A little bit tight on that. Let's just get him in and then we'll sort him out. I'll worry about the oil connection later. If it will be moved. Right, we want a pipe from there. We'll connect into that one. And into that. I'm going to have the trucks deliver into there. Because I don't want them. Let's get rid of that screen a minute. I don't want them taking all the oil. Right. Trucks are extremely busy, which is why I am building a few more. Population is. I'm going to turn that off for a bit. Right. That is done. And we have got him set to copper. He wants coal. And we want electrolysis. And I'm not sure how you do the electrolysis. Probably got these set up completely wrong. Metalcast, go. Yeah, cancel that one a minute. Cancel. I want to delete that. Delete, delete, delete. Now I want to copy that, put him there, copy that, let's do it. I want you to come. There we go. And then we want the like I said before, it's the first time playing this, so that's our food. That's looking okay. What am I looking for here, guys? Production. Start off here. There. Copper electrolysis. Ah, I can see it now. 2 outputs there. So if we put him... Now, does he want water? So we're going to have to build a rainwater. I got that bit right. Water. Ooh, right near them trees. So water is a pipe, not storage. Transport. So you go from there, you go from there into there, and I think this will be how do I get him to go into there? I want him in. So there? No. Is it a pipe? No. Okay, I will figure it out. Let's get that lot built first. At least we. Why has everybody stopped? Oh no, they are moving. They are. No jobs, okay. Ah, it's got rid of that red there though. So I'm learning that. Now fuel is getting a bit low. Can I... output is full. Shipyard. Fuel. Assembly parts, okay. Produce rubber. We've got to set the recipe, which will be this one. And I'm going to let the trucks deliver into him. Did it want coal? Right, let's go and start. Hang on, did we get our... That's what we will need for a... before we can mine. We're going to need 2x... What's up with you two? No jobs. Okay. Oh, he's waiting for that to clear. Right, I'm with it, I'm with it. Now we want coal. Coal was... Let's get this built here. I thought we had this built. Under construction. Can I set the priority on that? We can set this though. Copper, dirt, and probably rock. There we go. He's getting built now. Alright, excavator 1, 2 trucks. And produce copper. I missed that. Oh, I think it was harvester. Forestry. Clear me that lot. And that lot. And we're going to be working round here. I know my coal mine was there. I looked before. If we're going to mine, we don't need a coal maker. What's up with you? You're probably backed up. So how do you assign a truck to transport? Coal. Coal is the bottleneck. So let's get this going first. That is working. Producing copper. We've got the rubber. Let's get the reward. Right, produce copper. That is on the go. I know we're going to want coal. I've lost where it was now. There he is. So that is landscape. Terraforming. Mind control. Put him there. Mining area. Keep it flat for now. Just to get it started, we need an ore sorter which is right on the trees. Perhaps I should have terrain too low. That's not good. Why is terrain? That is flat there. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. It's a long way for him to go. Oh, it's gone in this time. Okay. That flicks up too fast for me to read. Build a new assembler and produce construction parts 2. Right. Copper production. Got some rewards there. Right, so build a new assembler. Assemblers are these things. Not enough workers, right. You get turned on. $63 houses, so we're okay for a bit. Right, build another assembler. Keep all these the same. And produce construction parts 2. That's that. I will also I'm going to use my copy. And I'll do it the other way. Learn the menus. So you're doing electronics. You're going to store electronics. You're producing vehicle parts. You are going to store vehicle part. Do you know what? It'd be help if I set a limit. That might help. And the last one was electronics 2. Right. Now we could do with one for copper. Now let's have a look at our copper production. These are probably waiting for this to be emptied. So, can we store... So let's have a look at one of these where it was... That will store iron. No, it will be loose. There we go, loose storage. And we could probably put that. We can't get both connectors, okay. Could get one connector. Let's do one there. And as we figure stuff out. Alright, you are gonna store which he's producing iron, right. You're gonna store iron ore, put you there. You are gonna store copper, put you there. We're getting there, we're figuring it out. We'll worry about conveyors, not enough workers because we're waiting. Right, I now need to look at we've got 93 rubber parts. I'm going to turn that off. I want my fuel to come up. Now there we go, yeah, it's moving down. Output is full. So set you at maximum. So if you're full, let me try something here, guys. Turn you round. I should feed directly into that. That should come up. Right, and how is this? No, that won't work until these are built. Where's my ship? Still there. Okay. Explore. Okay. We're learning it slowly. And I'm waiting for 14 days. Oh, 14 rescues in less than 4 months. And that will get that going, but we can, in the meantime we can hopefully be building them. Might need another one of them, but I want the coal. Pause coal maker to save 1 wood. Well, that can be done. Collect reward. Right. 3... 440 on the diesel. We haven't got that in yet. 469. So it is. The diesel is going up. Which is what I wanted to make sure on. Now I need to get more parts. I'm learning it. I'm learning it. No, we didn't kill it. Ah. Transport. I'm hoping that's connected. Now, why couldn't we connect that into... That's telling me it's the wrong way. Cargo ship. I think the cargo ship has arrived. No. Okay. I am trying to figure this here. And yeah, we've got water. Why am I not seeing anything go through? Right, well, there we are seeing it now. Perhaps that... Let's just... Perhaps we should use that channel there. Now connected that up, no. Try again. There's got to be a molten channel from there. Okay. Take me that one out. I need this out of the way. That is not clicking onto them. Won't be a pipe. No. It's got to be the molten channel. What about trying this one? I'm doing something wrong here. Well, he is working anyway. That's the main. Right, we've got that cleared there. I know what I'm doing wrong. I'm clicking here and it's the way I'm clicking it's going wrong. I would have liked a connection on there, which I will work on later. Right. Power, we're okay. Ship is docked. Shipyard is full. Right. I don't want to keep empty. I'll come back to that. But build a new assembly. We've got the waiting for products. So you want construction parts. Did I get that? That's coal. That's coal. We've got plenty of coal, so we no need to burn wood now. We just need to get wood. So, where's my town? If we put this one needs wood. So if we put another, has he got input and output points? We put a storage. We'll put him here till I get used to the conveyors and everything. We'll put the storage here. This one is going to be wood. Yeah, because we want one for there, one for... We're going to need the... Yeah, construction parts, which might have been waiting for wood. That's why we're doing that. Let's have a look at our research. Oh, I could have gone to the message centre, couldn't I? That looks... No, that's instructions. It's not what I was thinking. These pop-up messages. I want research. It's not telling me to research anything, but I'm going to go Conveyor belts. Groundwater. Start research. I like that add to queue. Training walls, transport balance, conveyor lift, advanced logistics, water, edicts, vegetables, housing. Okay, okay. I'll figure out how to get unity and health. And there's a message came in. Should we send him out for another explore? We've got fuel. He is working. I've got to work out, is that an order conveyor? Which is probably, yeah, it would be an order conveyor, wouldn't it? Thinking about it, it won't be molten because they're cooling off. It's electrolysis you need. Yep, so we do need those conveyor belts. That's where my problem was. And they're keeping them. Ooh, that. Okay, we've got coal. We need that building. And to build that, we need construction. Ah, oh, he's nearly done it now. Okay, so we need iron. We've only got 80. Excuse me 1 minute, I've got a... It's the game music. Right, we need more construction parts. We've got 2 of them. Concrete, we're okay. Wood is coming up. Iron, I think, is okay. Fuel is doing okay. Sorry if I'm slow, guys. I am. You need not enough parts. And we are construction. So we really need that construction too, don't we? Oh, do we add another one of these? And we can't do pipes at the minute. I should have put that directly into them, but you live and learn. Because we're using trucks now for delivering to them. Can we get one? No, I can't get one between. I should have put them closer together. Like I said though, we live and learn the game. At least we've got everything going. What product are you waiting? Oh, you need slag. No, you produce. We have got a dumping ground. I think we need another couple of trucks. See what that does for us. Because we're stuck on this. I tell you what we could do though, send this ship out. World map. World map, world map. Go and explore me that one. Damaged cargo ship. Well, what is there? What is there? Okay. We'll do that one. Oh, there's a back button there. I've just spotted it. This is what's waiting. Well, these are all coming up. It's just why. Have we got electronics? We've not been asked to make electronics yet. Let's have a okay. Ah, that's more like what I want. I think. No. Oh, I saw the recipes. Okay. I'm after a chart that says how much. Okay, I'll figure it out. I'd like to see a figure like here, 268. Have we got them conveyors in yet? Location explored. Those go too fast. Okay. Let's visit that one and see what we get. And there's the back. Right, we're looking for fluid molten. Let's go to our research. Research. How do you see what? Not what I've got. Oh, there's the... That's what I was after. No, that's not what I was after. $53 months health. Turn that off. Housing. Ships available. Cloudy. That's the pause. Where'd you find... Well, we've nearly got a conveyor belt, so that's... I want to... Yeah. I want to see the full... Oh, I think I had it then. There, that's what I was after. Where do you see what your next one is? Well, we'll come back to that. Back. I want to feed that into there. You should be storing iron. Conveyor belts. Right, let's have a go at this. Here we go. Now, let's just use it on this first. Now it's opened them up. So I think it is the flat conveyor. Click, move, click. Click, move, click. Got it. So that means we could click, click. That's it, we're getting it there. Click, click. I should speed them up a little bit. And this is where we've got our iron in the wrong place. And when you think about it, it's going to be messy. Iron storage. That is moving up slowly. Waiting for products. Right, so this is going to be messy. But I can take click, click. We want iron storage. I'll put him here for... No. No, I'm not going to put him there. This is not going to be pretty, I will tell you now. We'll put him there. And of course I've got one there and one there, haven't I? We'll use just the one. Flat conveyor. Click. East, no. Hang on. Of course, I've made it awkward for the trucks to get to this. Well, they can go round it for a minute. Then we want another. That's iron. We want one for concrete. Storage. And put him right there. And this one is going to be concrete slabs. Ooh, that was a... Like I've said, it's not pretty, this. But everything's going to be moved at the next upgrade anyway, so... Right, let's check how we're doing. Fuel doesn't look bad. I think we're going to need more crops soon. We're getting machine parts, but somehow I've activated what each one's got. And of course we've blocked all this one. Okay, I'm getting the hang of it. These should have been built the other way round, because I'm going backwards. But we can alter later. Let's speed it up a bit now. Get this built. And they can still put the iron in there if they need. Has the ship come back? Okay, world map. I think you seem to get that on a second visit. Okay. We'll worry about that ship repair in a minute. Oh, next epic groundwater pump. Right. I just want to get this. I just see that move then. I just want to get all this built. Coal is coming up nicely. Fuel we seem to have solved. And I want him. there. Now we did have... Yeah, they're waiting for orders. No jobs. Okay. Well, like where you can see all the little tree stumps. I'm just waiting for this to come up. Construction parts 2. That's not going to help. Okay, now I know what we're waiting for. If I'd looked. Okay, folks, I'm going to end this one there. Yeah, we're... What we could do... Copy that. Do I want... I'm going to put a manual one. Yeah, waiting for products. Construction parts, which I'm trying to... Okay, we're trying to learn... Cancel you. We'll do that next episode. I'm thinking of rebuilding this. Turn it all around. I'll do a build. Well, don't want to go that way. Could build him up where our mine is. Now I know more what I'm doing. I will see you on the next episode, guys. I will sort it all out by then, because we could have that. Feed there. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. I will see you next episode. I will get this finished and we'll carry on from there. Now we know more what we're doing. At least that will work. It's just getting into there. And I will put that back in. I'll give these a bit to do just for a few minutes. You know, you need rubber, copper. That'll give me electronics, so we'd have to... What are you producing? Iron. Hey, I thought we were doing iron here. Iron. So you... No, it's... I'm looking at the wrong thing. Mechanical parts, which we do need iron for everything. Except for that one. Okay, we'll set a proper production line up next episode. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time. We will do the fuel station and more. Maybe rebuild this, but I'm a bit wary of going here. We've got plenty of room. Moving everything, that's a problem. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. And it's first time playing. Bye for now.